All right. So the next question reads, what are values of x is in the solution set of 2 times 3x minus 1 greater than or equal to 4x minus 6? So this is an inequality, and basically an inequality, as I described in previous lessons, they need us to find the values of x where this statement will hold, where the left side will always be greater or equal to the right side. So we already have an issue with this because we see here that there's a variable on both sides. And this makes it very hard to evaluate when this statement is going to hold because there's a variable that will change the right side and the left side all the time. So a general rule of thumb when you're solving these inequalities is that you want to move all your variables to one side and all your constants on the other. And by doing so, you have a better evaluation of what values of x will make the statement true. Okay, so let's try that. So we have 2 times 3x minus 1. And this left side will always have to be greater than 4x minus 6. So the first thing I want to do is get rid of this 2, right? It's the easiest thing to get rid of. So I'm going to divide both sides by 2. Okay? So by dividing both sides by 2, we get this statement. Okay? 3x minus 1 is greater than, so 4x divided by 2 is 2x, and 6 divided by 2 is 3. So we get this statement. Now we want to move this x to the left side and this -1 to the right side. So I'm going to I'm going to subtract both sides by 2x, okay? So by subtracting both sides by 2x, I get rid on this side and move it to this side. So 3x minus 2x minus 1 is greater than -3. We still have a -1 here, so I'm going to add both sides by 1, and this is what we get. 3x minus 2x greater or equal to -2. All right, cool. So now we just need to simplify our left side, which is going to be x is greater than or equal to -2. So now we have solved the inequality. So by moving all our variables on the one side and keeping all our constants on the other, we're able to manipulate our inequality to find the values of x, which will make this statement true. So basically, whenever x is greater than or equal to -2, the top inequality is always going to be true. Okay? So in other words, let me write out a statement. When x is belongs to the interval of -2 and infinity, 2 times 3x minus 1 is greater than or equal to 4x minus 6 is true. Okay, so that's how you solve a lot of inequalities. In the future, they'll probably be a lot more complicated. But yeah, that's how you do it. Okay, so the junior tutor also did that, and they stated what each of their steps were, so this is a good solution. So the solution is correct. Nice job.